Baking soda and powdered sugar can be combined with other natural ant repellents to create a multi-pronged, non-chemical strategy for severe infestations. Start by mixing equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar to attract ants, but place bait in sealed shallow containers with small holes so pets and children cannot access it. Use a separate spray bottle of white vinegar and water at a 1-to-1 ratio to clean trails and remove scent markers, applying after you remove visible ants so you do not wash away bait effectiveness. Apply fresh lemon juice directly at likely entry points because its acidity disrupts scent trails. Reapply after rain or heavy cleaning. Diffuse or wipe down high-traffic areas with a solution of water and a few drops of peppermint or tea tree essential oil to create a repellent barrier, remembering that essential oils are concentrated so less is more, and direct skin contact should be avoided. For persistent nests or larger colonies, dust diatomaceous earth in cracks and voids, leave it undisturbed for several days, and then vacuum it up using a sealed bag vacuum to minimize airborne dust. Monitor daily, rotating baits and repellent applications every 3 to 5 days, and record where activity decreases so you can focus follow-up treatments on remaining hotspots. The most common mistake is assuming a single method will solve a heavy infestation. If baits are used without scent trail disruption, ants will ignore them, so combine baiting with cleaning and barrier methods. Another issue is improper placement that exposes pets or children to powder baits. Always use sealed containers or place baits in locations unreachable by household members. A third frequent problem is using too much essential oil or diatomaceous earth, which causes hazards or reduces effectiveness. Use minimal, measured amounts and reapply rather than saturate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we can find service providers by project type and location. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and help each other choose approaches for problems like ant control.